Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Bayannah, ayah number 6 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين. In Hamza is very sharp for noon. Give gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La fatha is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Kaf is light. And for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams and fa. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Mean, for kasra, give e sound, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. And hukmuhu idhar. Mean, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Lil, for kasra, give e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ki, for kasra, give e sound. Ta, very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound and make it 2 counts long. B, for kasra, give e sound. Wal, makhraj of waw, circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mush, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa, tafashi, and this is light. As you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position. Ri, for kasra, give e sound. Ki, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Fi, give hams and fa, then make it 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. Ri, ra is light. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. J, there should not be any flow of sound in jim. Jim has jahar. Ja, for fatha upon jaws. Han, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Kha, you are making kha heavy by just lifting your tongue up. You are not circling your lips at all. Keep your lips straight and make it 2 counts long. And for fatha, open your jaws. Khali, for kasra, give e sound. D, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha, open jaws. Fi, 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. If we will continue our recitation, we will not stop here. Then we will make it 4 counts long, because this will be mad munfasil jaiz at that situation. But here we are stopping, so we are making it 2 counts long. U, for the circle lips, because of the 0 on waw, we are not pronouncing waw, so the hamza is very short. And for the circle lips, u, la, mad muttasil wajib, 4 counts long. E, for kasra, give e sound, very sharp sound. Ka, for fatha upon just. Hum, for the circle lips, that it mean we will get sifa of tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. Sheen is light, but raw will be heavy. Raw will be heavy when you are attaching with sheen. Raw will be heavy when you are giving dhamma and attaching with lam. So both ways, raw should be kept heavy. Shawul, roll. When you are attaching sheen with raw, here we will get tawassut, and then it will be attached with lam. Shawul bariyah. Ba, short. Ra is light. And when you are attaching ra with ya, here you are giving nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. It's not a very sharp sound. It is just a jump of sound. And ya is a light letter, so it will be kept light. Riya. And ha, you are changing this ta into ha, and ha will get sifa of raqawa, and raqawa is flow of sound. إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Noon. Noon will get sifa of Gunna. This Gunna is Akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nal for Fatha upon Jaz attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of Tawassut. La Fatha is short. The give 2 counts long. Na for Fatha upon Jaz. Hamza is sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Ma for Fatha upon Jaz. Nu for Dhamma circle lips. Make it 2 counts long. Noon is from your nasal passage, but not Dhamma. Not the long vowel. Long vowel that is with wow will be from your mouth. Nu, nu, amanu, nu, wa. مخرج of wow circling your lips, fatha open jaws, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, me for kasra give e sound, lus for dhamma circle lips on lam. As you will touch lam sad, your lips should be in a straight position. Lus and Saad will get sifa of Rakhawa and Safir, and it will be heavy. Lus, and then Saad will be heavy and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ha 2 counts long. Ti for kasra give e sound. U for dhamma circle lips. La mad muttasil wajib. E for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Hum for dhamma circle lips attached meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Kha is heavy. You're lifting your tongue up to make kha heavy, but you're not circling your lips at all. Khoi, urul, ra is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ba is short. Riya. For kasra, give e sound. Ra will be light here, and when you're attaching ra with ya, here you're giving nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Riya. And ha will get sifa of rakhawa, because this ta has changed into ha because of the waqf. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية. Jim is very sharp. And there is no flow of sound here, so it should not sound like cha. It's ja, za. 4 counts long, mad muttasil wajib. U for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hum for the circle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. This is ikhfa. You are hiding the sound of noon and you're going towards the makhraj of dal, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is ikhfa is da is sharp. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached with ba, ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is no flow of sound whatsoever. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme, will get sifa of tawassut. Jim is jahar letter. There is no flow of sound or breath here. Jan and gunna, so keep this sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. 2 for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ad ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Nya. This is ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta is very sharp. Fatha open jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Ri 2 counts long, and keep raw light. For kasra give e sound, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. You're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you're hiding the sound of noon. You're keeping your tongue straight and keeping the sound in your nose. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it should be from your throat. T focus ragib E sound. Hal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And Hamza is very sharp for fatha on your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha, 2 counts long. Uru, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Kha, make it heavy by lifting your tongue up. Make it 2 counts long. Khali, focus ragib E sound. D, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. Fi, give hams and fa. Make it 2 counts long. Ha, mat munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. A, Hamza is very sharp. Ba, ba is very sharp and make it make it short. The 2 counts long. Mad awad has changed it into 2 counts long. Ra is heavy whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma. It is heavy here. It is heavy. Di for kasra give e sound. El, keep ya light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. La. It is always long. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. And hukmuhu idhar. Anhum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa makhraj for circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Du for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long and make dod heavy. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut first, and then you will give rakhawa on ha because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. An. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give e sound. Man for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. She for kasra give e sound. Ya keeps soft for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Rab, and then ha will get sifa of rukha because of the waqf. You are because of the sukoon you are giving because of the waqf. جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته